Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Academy, your home for learning English easily and confidently. Today, I'm going to teach you 50 daily use English sentences that are very simple and helpful for beginners. You can use these sentences at home, at school, at the market, or even while talking to friends. Repeat after me to improve your pronunciation. Let's begin. 1. Greetings and introductions. Good morning. Say it with a smile. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Jack. Replace with your name. Tip: use these every morning with your family or friends to practice confidence. 2. Talking about your day. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth after waking up. I take a quick shower. I eat breakfast with my family. I leave for work at 9 a.m. Practice. Try saying your full morning routine in English every day. 3. Common sentences at home. Please clean your room. Don't make noise. Turn off the lights. I'm feeling sleepy. Let's go to sleep. 4. Shopping and outside talk. How much is this? I want to buy this shirt. Can I try this on? It's too expensive. Do you have this in another size? Real life use. Try saying these next time you go shopping. 5. Asking for help. Can you help me, please? I don't understand this word. Could you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Where is the bathroom? 6. Expressing feelings. I'm very happy today. I feel tired after work. I'm a little sad. I'm hungry, let's eat. That's so funny, I'm laughing. 7. Talking on the phone. Hello, who's this? Can I call you back later? I'm a bit busy right now. Please send me a message. Talk to you later. Speak clearly on phone calls. Practice with a friend. 8. In the office or school. I've completed my work. May I ask a question? Please wait a moment. I'm learning English every day. That's a great idea. 9. Sharing opinions. I like this movie. I don't like spicy food. I think it's a good plan. That's not my opinion. I agree with you. Use I think or I feel to express your views politely. 10. Saying goodbye. See you tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Bye for now. Stay safe and keep learning English with English Academy. Great work. You just learned 50 powerful English sentences for daily use. Now it's time to practice every day. Try using these with your friends, family, or in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any lessons from English Academy. Let me know in the comments which sentence was new for you today. See you in the next video, and remember, practice makes perfect.